In this video you will be getting a simple trading hack that will make you a profitable trader. This tip will bring you to the top 10% of traders that actually make money with trading. Let's get started. I will be discussing the following topics. Number one, why you are currently losing money with trading. Number two, why you should stop with technical analysis. And number three, what actually makes the difference. By the way, are you using Discord? I've recently created a Discord channel for free that you can join and communicate with me as well as other serious traders. I will be sharing exclusive content and you can ask me all your questions. Now let's go on with the video. So I want to talk about why you're currently losing with trading and why most people are losing with trading. I'm going to be straight to the point here, so don't be like, oh, this guy's a dick. I'm just going to be honest here from my experience of 6 years of trading and from what I see happening over and over and over again. And the reason that you're losing money and the reason that most people are losing money is because they never learn from their mistakes. They keep doing the same shit, expecting to get a different outcome. They keep drawing their lines on the charts while they never journal, they never learn from their mistakes. This week they have FOMO, next week they have FOMO, and in 3 years they will still be having FOMO because they never address the problem. And all the meanwhile, they keep sending me messages every week. Oh, I had FOMO again, didn't follow my plan, next week again. And I'm fine with people messaging me, but if they just keep repeating the same mistakes, it gets old, it gets tiring, it gets boring. So the reason people fail, like I said, is because they keep making the same mistakes. Now ask yourself, what have you truly learned and improved on the past month? Like really, like not, oh, I learned to draw my lines a bit better, or I learned this technical analysis thing. Really behind the scenes, what have you actually improved on? Have you actually kept track of the mistakes you're making? Because the people that are in the 10% that make money, they work very, very hard on themselves and on their trading edge. They have a verified trading edge that they tested and tested and tested, and they have the balls to keep executing even when they have been losing for days and maybe even weeks. That's what makes the difference. And most people that lose money, they either don't have a strategy, so they just have some concepts they learn to draw on a chart. Everyone can draw lines, guys. Technical analysis or more technical analysis or better technical analysis or smart money trading, what the fuck is out there today, isn't going to make the difference. The difference will be what you do behind the scenes. It will be what you're working on for yourself. If you're not disciplined with your trading, the thing that will make the difference is not the technical analysis. It will be you working on your discipline. It will be you going to the gym and getting stronger and being disciplined with going to the gym, because that discipline will transfer into your trading. It won't be drawing an extra line on a chart. So let that sink in, that technical analysis, everyone does technical analysis. That's not where the edge is. That's not where the real improvement is. It's in working on yourself, building a strategy and making sure you can execute the strategy. That's really key. So point number two I wanted to talk about is why you should be stopping technical analysis. And I'm not saying technical analysis is bad because I'm a fully technical trader. What I'm saying is that for the next week, you shouldn't be trading. You shouldn't be analyzing charts. You shouldn't be pulling the trigger. Why? Like I said, you should be working on certain things. Now, what are those things? What should you be working on to join the 10%? I've said it before, but to make money with trading, you need a profitable trading edge and you need to be able to execute the edge without making mistakes. Now, ask yourself, do you have a clear strategy that provides you with an edge? If you don't, if you're just having empty concepts, such as I trade a break of structure, that's a concept, that's not a strategy. A strategy will be, I trade a breakout of a 3-touch level on the hourly time frame when the level is within a certain ATR range. If it happens, I put my stop above the high of the day and I target this level, and my entry will be at the retest of the 3-touch level. Do you see how more specific that is than just breaker structure? So what I'm trying to say is, look at the concepts that you've learned, see if you like them, and transfer them into a strategy. A robust strategy with clear rules that you can follow over time, because that's how you get consistent results. Now, like I said, go from concepts to strategy and only use concepts that you like. That's very important, because the concepts you use are the foundation of your strategy. And if you're using concepts that you don't even like, that you learn from a Lambo guy, but you don't like the concepts, then you start your trading career with shit that you don't like. So start with things that you like, build a strategy around it. And then the next step will be to gather some statistics, because you want to know that the strategy that you have built has performed in the past. If it hasn't performed in the past, why on earth would it all of a sudden start working? It's the same thing as the guy that blew two accounts already and opens a third one, deposits money again, and believes that this time he's going to make it. It will never work. So please think about that. Start testing your strategy. 5-10 years of data, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of trades. Is there edge? Does it make returns over time? That's what you want to figure out. And then when you figure it out, step 4 is to demo trade it. And most people will be like, fuck demo trading, not gonna do it, waste of time. I don't care. If you're not profitable on demo, you can never be profitable with live trading. So if you have a strategy, the next step, a strategy that works, the next step becomes, can you execute the strategy in a live market environment? That's what you can do on a demo account. And while you're trading demo, you should be keeping track of the mistakes you make, the emotions you feel, and the trades you take. Then, before you go to live trading, you should be fixing those mistakes and you should be learning. This is the step that everyone skips because most people are just lazy as fuck, and that's just the truth. They just want to trade, click the button, but oh no, I'm not looking back at the trades, I'm not looking back at the mistakes I made. Yeah, right mate, but I can tell you that the guys that actually make money in this are the ones that even after a big winning day in the evening will be reviewing the trades, will be reviewing what they did well, what they didn't do well, and make a plan for the next day. And so should you. So become profitable on demo, learn from your mistakes there, and only after you've been profitable on demo, open up a small live account. See if you can do the same thing that you did with backtesting, with demo trading, and learn from your mistakes. Journal everything, and then once you're profitable there, then you can think about scaling up, potentially getting a part-time income, potentially getting a full-time income from trading. So these are the steps, and notice that I didn't speak about more technical analysis, smart money, what the fuck there is out there. I said the things that actually make the difference. The testing, the building the strategy, the picking the right concepts that you like. All these things make the difference. The execution, building discipline. That's how you win. That's what the guys in the 10% group are doing. That's what the guys that are in the 90% group know they should be doing, but aren't doing because, like I said, they're lazy, they're stupid. I don't care what the excuse is. That's the thing. That's why people lose money, because they make mistake after mistake after mistake, and they think if they look enough at this chart back here, they will make money, but that's not the case. Hopefully I wasn't too rude, hopefully I wasn't too harsh, but this is just reality, and I get sick and tired of people making the exact same mistakes again and again and again, and then asking me how to fix it. Like, I've said it so often that you should be learning from mistakes and you should be keeping track of it. If you go to the gym and you don't track your lifts and you don't track what you eat, maybe you make progression, but if you track it, you will make more and more and more progression. Same with trading, just track everything. It sounds boring, but it makes money. Good luck with it. If you have questions, let me know. Like I said, I've created a Discord community. It's free, link is below the video. If you click on it, you can join it. Exclusive content, you get to ask me all your questions, and you can connect with other serious traders. See you there, thanks for watching, until next time.